Hi everyone. For positive integers which are less than 50, we're going to find the sum of the integers which have no remainders when they are divided by 3 or divided by 4 respectively. So basically what we want to do is look at the integers divided by 3, and that's the multiples of 3. So if we look at the multiples of 3, they are 3, 6, 9, excuse me, all the way to 48. All right. So basically, let's see what the total terms are. Now, if you're trying to find the total number of terms between 3 and 48, I just use this formula here and solved for n. So you take your last term minus your first term, divide it by your common difference, which is 3, then add 1. Your total number of terms is 16. So then we use this sum formula here. So the sum of the sequence would be 16 times the first term plus the last term divided by 2. That's going to be 8 times 51, which equals 408. Now we do the same for divided by 4. So we look at the multiples of 4, which are 4, 8, 12, all the way to 48. All right. And again, to get your total number, that would be 48 minus 4, and your common difference is 4 now, plus you have to add that first term back, and that's going to be 12. So there's 12 terms. So this sum for the 4 is going to be 12, and then we have 4 plus 48, all divided by 2. That's going to be 6 times 52, which equals 312. Now, if you probably are noticing that there's some common terms that we added to these. So some of the terms in here are also the terms in here. For example, 12 and 48 are common. So we want to look at the multiples of 3 times 4, or 12. So the multiples of 12 are going to be 12, 24, 36, and then 48. So this is a sequence with the first term is 12, and the last term is 48, and we have 4 terms. So this is going to be 4 times 12 plus 48 divided by 2. So this is going to be 2 times 60 equals 120. So we're going to have to subtract this number. That's the number we're going to have to subtract from these two, because they've been counted twice. So let's look and see what we have. The sum we're looking for is going to be 408 plus 312 minus 120, and that equals 600. So that is your sum for this problem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.